Hi everyone, it's Gail. I am here with a quick flip through of the two bunny journals that we completed together. And these journals, I'm going to list them on my Etsy Cinnamon Tea on Thursday, February 27th at 10 a.m. Mountain Time. So let's get started. Let's look at little boy first. This is little boy bunny journal, and he's just tied up with some black gingham here. And yeah, so let's see. I used the Easter kits from Roxy Creations, and I also used my own Easter vintage postcard digital. So that's that info. We've got quilted cover with lace and these awesome cross stitches. I just love them. I think they just make such a cute journal cover. Okay, so let's see. Let's get in here a little bit and let's go. So front pocket, we've got, this is a journaling card from TLC Creates Vintage. One that I made just using some tissue paper. Let's get that little bunny out. He's so cute. And then this is one of the little trifold journaling spots that is made out of pattern paper. I have videos on that. If you search Gail Augustinelli pattern paper maybe or something. Okay, so there's one of the beautiful images. Little stamping. This awesome paper, many people have asked about this, and it is from Julie's Flat, it's called on Etsy. This is a little belly band with a journaling card, and this image is from Bo Bunny. The bunny's from Bo Bunny. Little children's book there, doily. A napkin decoupaged on the page there. Little bunny bag that I received in Happy Mail. This little tag that I made with ephemera from the kit, and brushos on watercolor paper. This is a journaling card, once again, that I made. This paper is antique papery. There's some more of Rachel's designs. This is a flip up, flip down. Flip up and flip down, and then there is a journaling spot stuck in the back there. Little bunny stamp. This is a Beatrice Potter page. Another children's book page. This is Kool-Aid dyed. I think that I did. Again, little TLC Creates Vintage. It's in this vellum bag that I got in Happy Mail, and I just put a little napkin on there and some fabric and an applique. Little tuck here with a handmade journaling card, and then this was just a little bunny that I had been given in Happy Mail that made his way in there. Fabric flip here, once again, fabric that someone gifted me. Little bunny stamp. This is the collage pockets, the 3 pockets that Amy at Crafty Cat did, and she just inspired me. This is one of my postcards, and then the other pieces, pockets, and this is, I don't know, I got this in Happy Mail. It's a playing card. That's what it is. And then these 3 pieces are from the kit. There's 2 Easter kits, so I used them both in here. Another beautiful page. Then this was a little Viewmaster die cut from Vintage Polka Dot Shop, and then some die cuts that I got in Happy Mail. This is an embossed card that I made in my 3 and 30 challenge that I just tucked up under here. This is AOZA's bunny stamp, and I had stamped it on tissue and then put it on there. A little fabric pocket here with a big old journaling card in there. This piece is from the kit. And then this is an envelope that I again got in Happy Mail. So that's what's in that pocket. Glassine bag from A Tattered Dream with a little bit of fabric on it, decoupage napkin, and one of the double tags that I made as the Make and Take at Creativation, and it's just stuffed full of bunnies. This one from the kit. Okay, and big old pocket here with, it's got this crinkly little fun embossed envelope, and then a handmade journaling card again. Okay, I like the butterfly poking out. Then a little collage pocket. This is some of the labels from Rachel. So actually I used 3 kits in here. So the Easter kits, and then she has these wonderful labels. You'll see them in her shop. And some journaling cards popped in the back of that little pocket. And then the back pocket, again, I've got a piece of embossed paper back here, a journaling card, a painted tag that I had done, and then a couple little bunnies poking out. So that is little Mr. Bunny. That is how he turned out. I do love these. I don't know, I really think that the cross stitch on the front really makes these journals. Okay, let's get the little miss into camera here. Okay, and she's just tied up with a very feminine satin ribbon, and oh, she's so sweet. So again, the quilted cover and little lace on the bottom, as the little guy does, has that too. I popped this into this pocket. This is the, once again, the pattern trifold for journaling, and then again a TLC card, and again TLC Creates Vintage, and then a handmade one by me. Again, a little bunny stamp there, and this belly band has this in it. This came from Bo Bunny again. This is a Tracy Fox, and just a little collage journal card there. Little glassine bag, once again from A Tattered Dream, with one of the Make and Take pockets that I did with all sorts of just little bunnies in there. This one is from the kit, if I can get it out without this one, and I stamped my kind stamp on it. Okay, this is part of a children's book page there. You could definitely attach something onto that if you wanted to. This is the green kind of vellum pocket, and again, it's got the cute little bunny cards from TLC Creates Vintage. One of the beautiful designs, a little stamping, children's book. There's the a little bit of napkin on there, and then this is a wonderful envelope that I got in Happy Mail. I think I got that in Happy Mail, or did I make that? I might have made that. Not sure. And then this is a journal card, just tucked. I think I had it with the butterfly poking out there. This is the flip up, flip down, and it's just tucked into a little applique flower with a journaling card and back. Here's the fabric flip in this one. In the middle. Big pocket here with a big tag that is collaged by moi. There we go with the little chocolate bunny in the CD envelope. And this is the embossed envelope in this one. It's got one of the little labels from Roxy Creations kit on there. Little stamping, little bunny again. Brusho's tag, and then this is cut out from a journal card that comes with the kit. And then this is the embossed one in this one, and this came from the kit. Just a little straw paper on the back. Okay, and then doily, children's page, a Yosie bunny. Here's the collage page on this one, and here's the kind stamp, and then this piece, this piece, this piece, and this piece all came from the kit. So Beatrice Potter page, and then this little collage pocket with one of the labels from the kit. Got this one in Happy Mail, and then this is one that I made. So those in there. Little bunny. Here's the fabric page. It's a Franken tag here that I received in Happy Mail. This is one of the postcards from my digital kit, and then this came from the Roxy Creations kit. And then in the back, once again, I have a piece of embossed paper. I have this tag in this one, and then a couple of little bunny pictures in my postcard. So there you have it. There's the final flip through of these two journals, which were so much fun to make with you guys. I just really enjoyed these. So funny because Valentine's and Easter, I've never until this year done journals for those holidays, and I just had a blast doing both holidays. So I don't know, maybe that means I'm starting a new tradition for those holidays. But anyway, once again, my Etsy shop, Cinnamon Tea, Thursday, February 27th at 10 a.m. Mountain Time. Both of these journals will be on there at the stroke of 10 a.m. Mountain Time. I just watch for my computer to flip to 10 o'clock and hit publish, and they'll be there. So thanks everyone so much. Thanks so much too for all the interest in these journals. They really, I don't know, I think these little sweet bunny cross stitches really captured everyone. So it was a fun project. So thanks everybody. We'll see you in the next video. Have a grateful day. Bye-bye.